misconception, I believe, online saying that Chaps won't stop a battery powered saw. So this is the new MSA300C. This is the most powerful saw, battery operated saw on the planet as far as I know. I've got it set on with its highest power on 3 chain brake set. I'm getting ready to run it full throttle and I'm gonna hit these chaps. Let's see what happens. All right, let's see if it cut the tree. It just barely scuffed the bark. So in my opinion, they work. Even though it just barely scuffed the bark, imagine if I didn't have the chaps on this tree and I just ran at full throttle and hit the tree, it would have gone the same thing with my leg. So in my opinion, it worked pretty well.